Hello from Chef Diamond's Kitchen. Today I share how to make this easy, simple and delicious fried rice. Please, if you have not subscribed before, do me a favor by subscribing and clicking on your notification button. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Now let's get started. And I hope you are going to love this fried rice recipe. In a clean pot, I added some chicken. I seasoned with some sliced onions, scotch bonnet pepper, turmeric powder, salt and seasoning powder. I gave it a very good stir. I also rinsed my bowl of seasoning cube and added to it. I am going to allow it cook first before adding another water, and I'm going to cook for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, I checked again. The meat was getting dried now. I have to add another water to it because I will be needing the meat stock to cook this fried rice. I will cover again and allow cook for about 5 minutes. Now that it's ready, I'm going to take it off the heat and sieve. And here I have my already washed rice. I have sweet corn, green peas and green beans. I have some sliced onions, sliced bell pepper and fresh pepper. I also have sliced gizzard. In the meat stock I placed on the fire again, I added some seasoning cube and some salt. Now I'm going to pour the washed rice here now. I will give it a stir. For its green color, I will be using turmeric powder. I will add some turmeric powder again and just give it a stir and allow cook for about 10 minutes. Now after the 10 minutes, I checked again. And now the rice is ready. I am going to set this aside too. In another pot, I poured some oil and allow it. I started by frying my onions, my bell pepper and my scotch bonnet pepper. I fried this to about 3 minutes before adding my sliced gizzard. This gizzard I boiled before, then I diced it out. I'll just give it a stir, allow fry for some minutes before adding the green beans and the green peas. This time I'm going to allow cook again. I always stir with wooden spoon for it not to get burnt. And now I will be adding my carrots. I added it this time because I love my carrots very crunchy while eating my fried rice. I'm going to give it a stir and allow cook for about 4 to 5 minutes before adding some seasoning cube and some salt. I will just give it a stir and allow everything to combine before I add my sweet corn. You can see my kitchen is smelling very nice at this time. Now let's pour all the ingredients into this pot of rice. These veggies are very delicious and crunchy. We are going to stir very well and allow everything to combine and steam for about 2 to 3 minutes, lowering the heat. Can you see this? You will love to try this and it's so delicious. Thanks for watching this video. See you in my next video. Share, like and leave me a comment below. Goodbye.